Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing 12 smart home gadgets, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Toothbrush Holder. I have Toothbrush Holder. The I have Toothbrush Holder offers powerful UV disinfection with UVC plus UVA dual band technology, eliminating up to 99.99% of bacteria. This smart bathroom gadget features automatic sensing and intelligent cruising disinfection, perfect for self-care enthusiasts. With 6 toothbrush slots and 3 stylish mouthwash cups, it's ideal for the whole family. The interactive breathing light displays charging and operational status, adding a modern touch to your bathroom. The detachable toothpaste pusher is easy to clean, enhancing hygiene and convenience. Number 2. Bottle Warmer. Mom Cozy Bottle Warmer. The Mom Cozy Bottle Warmer offers fast warming, food heating, steaming, thawing, and 24-hour keep warm functions. Designed to fit most bottle types and materials, it delivers precise, intelligently heated milk, preserving nutrients for your baby. With a 30% faster heat-up speed, it minimizes waiting time, keeping your baby calm and content. One-touch thawing makes feeding hassle-free, while the steaming feature ensures bottles and food jars remain clean. This smart bottle warmer is a must-have for modern parents. Number 3. Table Lamp. Smart Table Lamp. The Smart Table Lamp offers hands-free control through Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to adjust brightness, colors, and lighting effects with voice commands. Use the Smart Life app to explore 8 dynamic lighting scenes or customize your own. With 4 lighting modes, including warm white, cool white, RGB color changing, and a night light mode, it creates the perfect ambience for any setting. This innovative lamp combines convenience, style, and technology seamlessly. Number 4. Cleaning Robot. Tassima Cleaning Robot. The Tassima Cleaning Robot uses advanced sensors and AI 3.0 path planning to deliver efficient, streak-free cleaning. Its powerful suction and microfiber pads remove dirt, dust, and smudges from windows and glass surfaces. Choose from multiple cleaning modes for spot cleaning, full window cleaning, or high-rise windows. Safety features like anti-fall sensors and a secure attachment mechanism ensure safe operation, even on vertical surfaces. The Tassima makes window cleaning effortless and keeps your home sparkling. Number 5. Standing Desk. Electric Standing Desk. The electric standing desk offers outstanding stability with a solid steel frame and aerospace-grade connectors. Enjoy smooth height adjustments from 28.35 inch to 46.46 and save your favorite 3 settings. Its powerful motor ensures reliable long-term use, while low VOC materials meet U.S. air safety standards. Simplified assembly makes setup a breeze, and cable management features keep your workspace tidy. This desk enhances productivity and comfort, providing an ergonomic and healthy work environment. Number 6. Smart Garden for Home. Yoolax Smart Garden. The Yoolax Smart Garden is more than just a flower pot. It's a smart pet companion for your plants. The 16-bit LCD touchscreen displays your plant's status through cute emoticons. With sensors for water level, soil moisture, light, temperature, and air humidity, your plants can speak to you. The Cloud Plant Database and self-updating feature make indoor gardening a breeze. This stylish smart garden is perfect for your home, office, or as a thoughtful gift. Number 7. Robot Vacuum. Roborock Crevo S Robot Vacuum. The Roborock Crevo S Robot Vacuum simplifies cleaning with its advanced docking station. The multifunctional dock offers auto mop washing, hot air drying, and a 5L water tank for extended cleaning coverage. With 7,000 pascals powerful suction, it effectively cleans hardwood, tile, and carpets. The auto mop lifting feature ensures seamless transitions between vacuuming and mopping. Enjoy hands-free operation for up to 7 weeks with its self-emptying capability, keeping your home fresh and spotless. Number 8. Compact Smart Plug. The ultimate party essential, this smart coffee table boasts dual Bluetooth speakers for booming sound and a vibrant LED lit underside to set the perfect vibe. No app needed. It's more than a table. It's a charging station with USB ports and outlets, keeping your devices powered while neatly storing cables in hidden drawers. A built-in fridge drawer keeps drinks cool for days, with extra storage for remotes and gadgets. The sleek tempered glass top offers intuitive touch controls for fridge settings, lighting, audio, and more. Number 9. Coffee table with built-in fridge. Sabro coffee table with built-in fridge. The Sabro coffee table with built-in fridge is the ultimate party accessory. Dual Bluetooth speakers and LED lighting set the perfect ambience. It doubles as a charging station with USB ports and outlets, keeping devices powered up. The built-in refrigerator drawer keeps beverages cool for days, while additional storage drawers help organize remotes and small essentials. Smart controls on the tempered glass top allow you to adjust fridge temperature, LED settings, and more with ease. Number 10. Radiator Valve. Sonoff Zigbee Radiator Valve. The Sonoff Zigbee Radiator Valve offers compatibility with most heating systems, fitting M30X 1.5mm radiator valves. It features smart controls via the e-wheeling app, voice commands, and scheduling options. The open window detection function prevents energy waste by turning off the radiator during ventilation. Historical data tracking allows you to monitor heating consumption over 6 months. Zigbee 3.0 compatibility ensures seamless integration with popular smart home hubs, enhancing energy efficiency and comfort. Number 11. Toaster. Toaster with digital timer. This advanced toaster features a vibrant touchscreen and digital timer, making breakfast preparation effortless. Choose from 6 bread types and 6 shade settings for perfect toasting every time. The toaster offers defrost, bagel, and cancel functions for versatility. Wide slots accommodate various bread sizes, and sound alerts keep you informed. For quiet mornings, simply press and hold the cancel button to mute alerts. This modern kitchen essential combines functionality, style, and convenience. Number 12. Yoolax Motorized Blinds. Yoolax Motorized Blinds. Yoolax Motorized Blinds offer 100% blackout coverage with jacquard white fabric and thermal insulation. These smart blinds enhance privacy, improve energy efficiency, and ensure a peaceful sleep environment. The Zigbee motor integrates seamlessly with Alexa, offering voice control without needing a smart bridge. The built-in rechargeable battery provides 4 to 6 months of usage per charge. Smart controls allow for group management, setting opening percentages, and enjoying the convenience of remote control blinds. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.